Claire, and this is Marvin, and I am a Student Leadership Assistant with the Marvin Center for Student Leadership. Here at the Marvin Center, we believe that leadership is learned and anyone can be a leader. Here's a couple of ways you can get involved with the Marvin Center. Here at the Marvin Center, we offer 5 different leadership certificate programs that will teach you how to be ethical, inclusive, global, socially just, and sustainable leaders. We also offer the Leadership Achievement Award, which is a self-paced program to develop and promote student leadership at BGSU. I'm a Student Leadership Assistant, which is a team of peer educators who are passionate about leadership and social change. Request a Marvin Center experience for us to come facilitate a workshop at your organization about a variety of leadership topics. Check out our social media or go to the BGSU website /leadership for more information. We'd love to work with you.